Protect your RV's electrical system from circuit overloads, melted wires, and electrical fires with RecPro's RV circuit breakers. These breakers are for 120-volt devices, are easy to hook up to your circuit breaker panel, and are suitable for electrical systems controlling heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration. When an overload occurs, the switch will flip to center, indicating the circuit's been tripped. Flip the switch off and back to on to restore power. When installing or changing out breakers, first make sure that the RV's power is fully turned off. If a power cable is currently connected to your camper, unplug it. Using a volt tester is also recommended to fully ensure all electrical currents have ceased. This will prevent any risk of electrical shock while working on the breakers. When changing out the breakers, stick with the same amperage as the previous breaker. If you don't feel comfortable doing this, be sure to hire a professional. RecPro offers multiple versions of circuit breakers to best fit your needs. There are single and double breaker options and amperage rating options from 15 to 50 amps so that you can control how much power comes through before the circuit breaks. Lastly, you can get these breakers in a standard size or a THQP slim profile, which fits more compact RV breaker panels without sacrificing performance. Please note it is recommended to use the same type of breakers in a breaker panel, as mixing different types of breakers can cause electrical problems. Ensure the safety of your electrical system with RecPro's RV circuit breakers. To learn more about these products, go ahead and click the link in the description below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.